Cybercrime in Kenya is no longer a distant threat. It is happening right now, and it is affecting businesses of all sizes, from SMEs to large corporations. As companies continue to move their operations online, digital attacks are becoming more frequent and more sophisticated. In this video, we'll explain why cybercrime is rising in Kenya, the most common threats facing businesses, the risks involved, and the practical steps you can take to protect your company. Kenya is one of the most digitally connected economies in Africa. Businesses rely heavily on online banking, mobile payments, cloud systems, e-commerce platforms, and digital communication tools. According to the Communications Authority of Kenya, millions of cyber threat attempts are detected in Kenya every year. As businesses digitize their operations, cybercriminals follow the opportunity. Unfortunately, many organizations expand their digital systems faster than they improve their cybersecurity, and that gap creates vulnerability. Let's look at some of the most common cyber threats affecting businesses today. The first is phishing. These are fake emails designed to look legitimate, often pretending to be from banks, suppliers, or government institutions. When an employee clicks a malicious link or shares login details, attackers can gain access to company systems. Another major threat is ransomware. This is malicious software that locks your files or systems and demands payment to restore access, sometimes forcing businesses to stop operations entirely. There is also business email compromise, where fraudsters impersonate company executives or suppliers and trick employees into sending payments to fraudulent accounts. And then there are data breaches, where sensitive customer or employee information is accessed without authorization. This can expose companies to investigations and penalties under the Data Protection Act 2019. The impact of cybercrime goes beyond stolen money. A cyber attack can lead to business interruption, loss of revenue, costly IT investigations, legal expenses, regulatory penalties, and serious damage to a company's reputation. For many SMEs, even a short period of downtime can cause major financial challenges. That's why prevention and preparation are critical. Businesses can reduce cyber risk by focusing on 4 key areas. First, employee awareness. Many cyber incidents begin with human error, so training staff to identify suspicious emails and links is essential. Second, strong access controls. This includes using complex passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and limiting access to sensitive systems. Third, secure data backups. Regular backups help businesses restore systems quickly if an attack occurs. And fourth, having a clear incident response plan so your organization knows exactly what steps to take if a cyber incident happens. However, even the best cybersecurity systems cannot eliminate cyber risk completely. This is where cyber insurance becomes an important layer of protection. Cyber insurance helps businesses manage the financial impact of cyber incidents. It can cover costs such as incident response experts, system restoration, business interruption losses, legal defense expenses, regulatory investigations, and crisis communication support. In simple terms, it helps protect your business financially when a cyber attack occurs. As Kenya continues to embrace digital transformation, cyber risks will only continue to grow. So the important question every business owner should ask is this: if a cyber attack happened tomorrow, would your business be able to recover? At Step-by-Step Insurance, we help businesses understand their cyber risk exposure and structure the right protection to safeguard their operations. Because in today's digital world, protecting your business means protecting both your physical and digital assets. And the best way to do that is step by step. If you'd like to learn more about cyber insurance that can protect your business, feel free to contact us at Step-by-Step Insurance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with other business owners, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on protecting your business and securing your future.